Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection, where we unveil the hidden treasures and mysteries of rare coins. Today, we're diving into a legendary story, the 100 Lire coin from 1974 Italy. Could this little coin truly be worth $50 million? Let's find out in full details. Country, Italy. Period, Repubblica Italiana, 1946. 2001 currency, Italian lira. Coin type, circulation. Coins denomination, 100 lire. A 1974 composition, stainless steel. Edge type, reeded shape, round alignment. Coin, 180 degrees. Weight G, 8 diameter, mm, 27.8 thickness, mm, 1.7. If you're passionate about coins and collecting, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community. The Italian 100 lire coin was minted from 1955 to 1989. Made of stainless steel, it weighs 8 grams and has a diameter of 27.8 millimeters. But what makes the 1974 edition so special? This coin features Minerva, the Roman goddess of wisdom, on one side, holding a spear and olive tree, symbols of peace and strength. The reverse side showcases the value and year of minting. The Italian lire was replaced by the euro in 2002, making these coins even more desirable for collectors. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How can a 100 lire coin be worth $50 million? Is this fact or fiction? Coins with minting errors like double strikes or misalignments are extremely rare and valuable. That if the coin is linked to a historic event, its value skyrockets. Limited editions or unique variations are sought after by collectors worldwide. That a small batch of 100 lire coins from 1974 is rumored to have been minted with unique errors, making them priceless. How can you determine if your 100 lire coin is worth $1 million? Here's what to check. Many claims about ultra-valuable coins are exaggerated, so always consult trusted sources before making decisions. Rare coin collecting is a billion-dollar industry. Auctions, online platforms, and coin shows are hubs for enthusiasts to buy and sell treasures. In 2023, a rare error coin sold for $1.7 million at an auction. Proof that these stories aren't just myths. Join coin collector forums to stay updated on the latest trends and discoveries. Do you own a 100 lire coin? Share your stories and pictures in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow collectors. Don't forget to check out more videos on rare coins on Old Coin Z Collection.